With Valentine's Day around the corner, I thought it was a great idea to make some of these miniature hearts. You can then decide what you're going to make them into. You could string them together on ribbons and make a garland, or use them on keychains. You can even make them larger into a pillow. You could crochet them in the traditional red and white, or you could switch it up a bit with other colors. It's your choice. I'll be making a few items with these hearts up to Valentine's Day, so please like and subscribe and you'll be notified when my next video is available. Hi, my name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. Welcome or welcome back. Let's begin the tutorial on how to crochet hearts. We begin by making a slip knot. So we just put the yarn over the hook, we cross it at the bottom, yarn over, and we slip the hook through to make a slip knot. Now we're going to make 3 chain stitches. We're working with a small crochet hook and a fine yarn, so it's quite a small area that we're working in. We now go into the first chain stitch, slip stitch. So there is my circle I've held open. Is we go yarn over and we go back into that hole and we make our first double crochet. We're going to make 12 double crochets into the circle. And we are weaving in the tail end. Four. And the 12th one. And at this stage we don't want to be tightening up the center just yet, because we want to make sure we've got all of our 12 in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. And then we're going to join the last stitch and the first stitch with a slip stitch. But we're going to go beyond this first stitch because we want to make a space there, and I'll show you why. There's our slip stitch, and there is the start of our circle. Now these little miniature hearts, I've also made some little miniature squares, which I do in a similar way, but I just make them into squares, and you'll see this in a future tutorial of mine. So there they are. We've now completed the circle, so we can actually tighten this. The next thing is we're going to make the circle into a square. So here we have our circle, we're going to make it into a square. And the way we're going to do that, we're in this first space here. And remember, we've got 12 stitches. So we're going to do 2 chain stitches for our first double crochet. Yarn over, we're going to go back into that same little space. And then we're going to do 2 more chains and 2 more double crochets into that same space. So we're going to do this 4 times to give us a corner and some side spaces, and that is the first one. So here's our first corner, second, third, fourth corner, and then 4 spaces. Now what we're going to do is yarn over, and we're going to skip 2 stitches and go into the 3rd stitch here, and again 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets.
So there's the first of our 2 corners.
Yarn over, skip 2 more stitches into the 3rd stitch to make our 3rd corner. 2 double crochets, 2 chain, and 2 double crochets. We've just completed our 3rd corner, and you can see we have 2 side spaces. So yarn over, skip 2, we're going to go into this 3rd stitch, which gives us 2 more before that one, and we're going to do another corner, the final corner, 2 double crochets, 2 chain, and 2 double crochets. So we're now at the end. We just go into this stitch here, which is the top of the 2 chain stitch, and we do a slip stitch. So now what we need to do next is, in order to do the heart shape, and we start here, we need to get to the corner. So you can see we've got 4 corners here. We need to get to that corner, and this is what I love about crocheting. You can just slip stitch along here and into the corner, slip stitch. So there we are, ready at this corner. Now this corner, which is this corner here, we have 10 triple crochets or treble crochets on each side. And the way we do it is we start with 3 chain to get us in line with the treble. We then put the yarn over twice. We go back into that same hole. We slip off these 2, yarn over, slip off the next 2, yarn over, slip off the next 2. So we've done that 3 times. There we have 2 treble crochets. Yarn over twice into the hole, slip off 2, slip off 2, slip off 2. So we're going to do that 7 more times. We need to make space, and we want to keep this flat, so we can just push those along a little bit, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we need 4 more. And the 10th one. You just need to make sure you get space so they stay nice and flat. The next stitch is to do a slip stitch into the center space of the square. So we just do a slip stitch. Now we're going to do exactly the same as we did here, 10 treble crochets into this corner space. We do yarn over twice, straight into this corner, and we do our 10 treble crochets. 1, 2, and the last one, the 10th one. So if we just look at what we've done the 2 tops
of the heart shape.
Now what we want to do is, these are both trebles, so we want to bring it down to the point, and the way we do it is to gradually make it smaller. So we go into this space 3 double crochets, into this space 3 half double crochets, and we do the same on the other side. And then at the bottom here, because we've finished with a half double crochet and we want to make a point, we go 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. So let me show you how that looks. So we finished with the treble. We're going to do 3 double crochets here. There's our 3 double crochets, and now we go a little bit lower down and we do a smaller, which is a half double crochet. 3 half double crochets. And then here is our point, and we're going to start with a half double crochet, then a double crochet, then a treble to make the point of the heart, and then we go back again to a double crochet and a half double crochet. And now, because we finished on the half double crochet, this next one, this next space here, which is here, we do 3 half double crochets. So gradually we're going to now get to a larger stitch. 3 half double crochets. And then this final side, we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, second double crochet, and the 3rd double crochet. And then what we're going to do is to join it to the top. We go into that top stitch there and we do a slip stitch. So we finish our heart where we started. So there's our little heart, and we're going to block them and give them a little spray of water to get them their shape. So all we do now is trim this, pull it through, and we're going to work back this center piece and the side piece, and we're going to crochet them together. My name is Lindy and thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to crochet miniature hearts ready for Valentine's Day, please be sure to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified when my next is available. Take care and bye.